It's snowing. It's snowing. Look at his haircut. It's snowing. Mom can finish off his haircut to make it look better. I can't believe it's snowing. We have snow today.
Yeah, what if I can see out the window?
He's so happy. I just know him. When I looked out the window downstairs, I was like, Michael, look, there's snow. Yeah, we woke up at 7 a.m. We did not realize it. Mom, my stuff is there in the back. You want to show them?
No, it's not stuff. This is not done.
Mom couldn't finish it yet. I'll go downstairs.
Hello. I'll check.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah. It's not really sticking.
It's just kind of slush.
Slushy, wet. Maybe it'll change though. It's still coming down.
It's kind of weird because I'm going in the back. Oh dear. Look at the trampoline. Michael and I were like hoping like the trampoline gets like all snowy. Look at the ground. I mean, it's a pretty princess, but it's cold. It's cold out there. Dad, I was outside. Go check outside in the back.
I'm gonna let Max out there pretty soon.
Michael? Yeah.
It's cold outside.
Then you gotta come
It's
out.
cold out there.
Memphis.
Come here, Memphis. Ugh.
It's just cold.
It's cold and slushy outside.
Now look. I'm gonna come up in here.
It looks like it stopped.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh.
Yay! My feet are cold, not get me inside.
It's freezing out. It's cold. No. You have to go back inside.
Hello. What are you doing?
We're observing the cold, wet yard.
Wet yard?
Wet yard.
It's like a
Huh?
strange mulch.
Gotta close the door. What do you think, buddy? The snow has stopped. I guess that's it. That might have been it. No more snow. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Is that it? The great snowstorm of 2025. The 2025 snowstorm has passed.